it's the 21st of September 2022. We have Taivaanvuohentie, Pääkaupunkiseudun 5 days. We here, it's in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Uusimaa, Finland. We just filmed the Stakes A and this is the Stakes B. The best is 2 versions of modern 60 grams, built by Kone in 1955. Modernized by Hissikeskus, but with evergreen type of buttons, even though it's generic, but still fits in here. In last year, 2021, but of course this would also be very interesting to film before amortization.
Yeah.
But we forgot to come here then. The Zoom stage 6 to follow, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2023, with 5 hours. But still it has 2 rides. But originally it was 3 rides.
Yeah.
It had been 4 buttons originally. Yeah, and too bad the old metal plates were removed.
Yeah.
They must have been here on the back wall, but they put a bigger mirror here. But they could have put it here somewhere.
Yeah.
But they wrote it on the new panel with evergreen now.
Niin sä piti paikki vain sitten, että meidän eteenpäin Pääkaupunkiseudun Hissikeskus.
I will press the first wall button. And that's it, and thank you for watching. You know what the Stakes A here? Let's go to the Stakes C now.
That's